Welcome to Healing Through Dentistry podcast,
where we redefine health, wellness, and the power of your smile.
We're your hosts,
Hana
and Eva, twin sisters, qualified dentists and medical doctors.
This is more than a dental podcast.
It's a journey into profound connection between oral health and whole body healing.
Through personal stories, inspiring client transformations, and expert insights,
we explore how dentistry can ignite energy, relieve chronic pain, and transform lives.
Get ready to discover the extraordinary ways your smile can heal, inside and out.
Let's begin.
Welcome to Healing Through Dentistry. Today we are live and we are walking. Both of us are walking. Hana is in the Slovakia Republic and I'm in Czech Republic. We are both walking our dogs and we would love to share transformational story of my client because we would like to have few episodes for this topic. We actually had been recording them, 6 of them, but we had new microphones and we checked, but we didn't double check and we just lost everything. So we had a beautiful stories recorded, but without silent ones, without words. Anyways,
So let's tell
now
them again,
we decided
Eva.
to record them again, but in the move. So I would love to share a story, which is actually a recent client who is amazing, who told me, and I'll start with the achievement. He told me that after his treatment, and because we're using the treatment, which is not just you come and sit in the dental chair, but we are preparing clients for these treatments. So we always like to have at least 1 month of preparation, nutrition and lifestyle. But this client, he is on the journey a bit longer. He said to me when he came that he, up till his 50th birthday, he was totally beautifully healthy and was not dealing with any health issue at all. And past 3 years, he is really struggling, seeing many doctors, and he is amazing in the way that he took his health into his hands and he started researching. He has really became a biohacker of his own health. And the biggest achievement for him at that moment, I saw him on Monday, was that before he came to our clinic, actually he was coming by his car, he couldn't sit in the car, he couldn't enter the car without pain, and a huge pain on a scale of, when we had a scale, so up till 10, so he was saying like 8 was the pain. And so what we did for him was quite an extensive treatment. We have removed 7 root canal treated teeth. We have placed 4 ceramic dental implants. We removed 4 cavitations. And he said he didn't want to tell me immediately because the pain disappeared. He said like 80% of pain is gone with his hip. And he didn't want it to tell me immediately because he thought, this is a protocol. We have infusions. We are adding to the infusion antibiotics. So he said, this is the antibiotics effects. But the pain disappeared. So this is the biggest achievement also for me because past 3 years, he's not sleeping continuously. So he's waking up every hour. So he slept after the surgery for 4 hours. So that was a big win, which I consider as bigger because the body would start becoming into parasympathetic mode and start healing. So, but also, Hannah wanted to talk about why the body heals. We are ones who are able to remove the chronic inflammation from the body, so the toxic things, which are influencing nerve system, which are influencing emotions also, according to traditional Chinese medicine. But, I wanted to approach also this story with the fact that you have to have belief. And also, perhaps we like to share with clients what is the symbolism of the dead teeth they had and which places, and why we decided to start on the left-hand side in man because of the energetic flow and follow left top, then we go right, lower right top. So it's a protocol of the flow of the body. So we talked to him about being he is kind of lowering himself because he's just outstanding person. He's also developing his own ozone. He has lots of projects, but he's like kind of downgrading it. And this is
He's
exactly
self-doubting, Eva,
yes,
it's
this
called.
is exactly in Chinese medicine, why is it happening, what is happening. So we were kind of unwrapping his story, also the left side, which mainly the infection was, it's connected to his mother. So, it's just work on yourself. It's not only working, that we would remove all the toxics and then everything is fine. Then the journey continues. He has huge results already. I can't wait for more months to come because we will see more and more. And I would love to share more from his story later on. But I told you, Hannah, that I think from the perspective of the health, we were just discussing with you that we cannot expect with every client to lose all the symptoms immediately, right? And we were talking about our 8 pillars of health. And
Yes. So what are our 8 pillars of health? I think about that's what you're talking now about is very complex. And what you're trying to say and what we also always discuss with clients, that it's several things which may, cause certain symptoms or the state they are in. And of course, it's great to work on yourself and approach many ways in order to heal. So I've got many clients who come over and they have changed their lifestyle. They started to exercise. They got rid of their toxic relationships. They got rid of their toxic kitchen stuff. But that's why, like we said, yes, that's absolutely what we believe in as well. And we call it 8 pillars of healthy, not only smile. And like first 4, there's definitely nutrition, there's movement in terms of exercise, there's prevention, there's detoxification, but then also there's sleep, because how you sleep and how long and, the pattern and the quality of the sleep is very crucial. Then the 7th one is power of belief, which I believe it's maybe the most important one. And then there's a forgiveness, because a lot of us hold to the grudges and that influence our biochemistry as well. And the last one is joy. So love of life. That's why it's very important to get outside, get in the nature, just like we do now, discussing this. Walk the dog, go to the forest, connect with your friends. And it is very important. So, yeah, the client of yours you're just talking about, he's got an impressive story. And just to summarize it, you said you did several root canals and several implants. Was it in one day or was it spread?
Well, we divided in 2 days. And so that was beautiful that we could have done it this way. And regarding the hip, it's according to traditional Chinese medicine, there's more meridians which are supporting the hip. And the interesting thing, he had a canine on the left-hand side, which was root canal treated, so that tissue inflammation. And that's one part, which is connected with liver also. So it's all connected. It's not like, if you see the
was
map,
it upper? Sorry, Eva, just jump in. Was it upper or lower?
Yeah.
Because upper is connected with anger. Lower ones are undecisiveness. So it's always like really nice for me to have a look into a symbolism as well. And most of the times, almost all of the times, it's just like people say, oh my God, how do you know? This is just spot on, right?
Yes. So there is 3 meridians going into the hip. So anyways, it doesn't matter. It's just like, I don't want the mind to focus where it's leading or where is the map going. But it's just like, the sensation you have. If the pain is disappeared, great, let's go. Let's do more. Let's do ozone. Let's do hyperbaric chamber. Let's do methylene blue. Let's do detox, So he's doing glutathione. So yeah, so it's just the journey, and we are here to just kind of unwrap and start
Help
working
to
on
unwrap, right? Yeah.
to help to unwrap kind of complex situations, and then we are beautifully seeing, immediate, and then later on we will be able to tell you more of what this story is about. So yeah, can't wait. I think we would love to bring you more. So for now, I am wrapping up and we're getting ready to have more walk. So have a beautiful day and see you in the next episode.
See you. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on Healing Through Dentistry podcast.
We hope today's conversation has inspired you to see your smile as the gateway to whole body well-being.
To stay connected, visit us on our website or follow us on social media.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with someone who could benefit.
Until next time, remember, healing starts with a smile.
Take care.
And we will see you in the next episode.